Hi friends, welcome back to the nurse. Back again with the part 3 of Blood Anatomy MCQs. Quick questions, clear rationales and smart learning starts now. First questions. Which type of immunity is associated with T lymphocytes? Humoral immunity, cellular immunity, passive immunity, innate immunity. Correct answer is option B, cellular immunity. T cells participate in cell-mediated immunity by attacking infected or abnormal cells. Which component of hemoglobin is converted into bilirubin? Iron, globin, heme or non-iron portion, protoporphyrin. Correct answer option C, that is heme or non-iron portion. The heme component minus iron is broken down into biliverdin, that will converted into bilirubin. Which term refers to increased WBC count? Leukopenia, leukocytosis, polycythemia, thrombocytopenia. It is an easy question. Correct answer is leukocytosis. Leukocytosis indicates elevated WBC count due to infection or inflammation. The primary site of hematopoiesis is in adult is liver, spleen, red bone marrow, thymus. Correct answer is red bone marrow. In adults, blood cells are produced in the red bone marrow or flat and long bones. Which type of anemia results from vitamin B12 deficiency? Hemolytic anemia, sickle cell anemia, pernicious anemia, aplastic anemia. The correct answer is pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia occurs when vitamin B12 absorption is impaired due to intrinsic factor deficiency. Vitamin B12 absorption is helped by intrinsic factor at stomach. Which type of WBC is the largest phagocyte? Neutrophil, eosinophil, monocyte, basophil. Correct answer here option C, that is monocyte. Monocytes are the largest WBCs and become macrophages that engulf large pathogens. Which of the following gives blood its red color? Iron in hemoglobin, globulin, plasma proteins, myoglobin. Correct answer is option A, iron in hemoglobin. Iron in the heme group binds oxygen, producing the characteristic red color. The Buffy coat in a centrifuged blood sample consists of only RBCs, WBCs and platelets, plasma alone, albumin and globulin. So there will be a Buffy coat during centrifuged blood samples. That will be that we can see at lab only. So that is because of WBC and platelets. The thin Buffy layer contains WBC and platelets located between plasma and RBCs. Which WBC is primarily involved in allergic reactions by releasing histamine? Lymphocytes, eosinophils, monocytes, basophils. The correct answer is option D, basophils. Basophils release histamine and heparin during allergic and inflammatory reactions. Plasma makes up approximately what percentage of blood volume? 25%, 35%, 45%, 55%. The correct answer is option D, 55%. Plasma makes up approximately 55% and the blood cells makes 45%. Plasma accounts for about 55% of total blood volume. Which electrolyte is most important for blood clotting? Sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride. The correct answer here, option C, that is calcium. Calcium or factor 4 is essential for multiple steps of the coagulation pathways. Carbon dioxide is primarily transported in the blood as dissolved carbon dioxide, carboxyhemoglobin, bicarbonate ions, carbon dioxide bound to plasma protein. Correct answer is option C, bicarbonate ions. So there is a one term that will confuse always. So that is carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin means it is not carbon dioxide that is binding to hemoglobin. It is carbon monoxide after binding with the hemoglobin. It is known as carboxyhemoglobin. And the another term, carbaminohemoglobin, is the combination of carbon dioxide combined with hemoglobin. So there are two terms, carboxyhemoglobin and carbaminohemoglobin. Carbamino means carbon dioxide with hemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin means carbon monoxide with hemoglobin. About 70% of carbon dioxide is transported as bicarbonate in plasma. Which blood type is the universal recipient? We already discussed the universal donor in previous video, first part of video. Here question is universal recipient. AB positive, O negative, AB positive, A negative. The correct answer here, AB positive. AB positive has all antigen, A, B, Rh antigen and no antibodies, allowing recipient of any blood type. Which substance prevents blood coagulation within blood vessels? Fibrin, heparin, thrombin, prothrombin. Correct answer is heparin. Heparin is an anticoagulant that prevents unwanted clot formation. Which hormone regulates platelet production? Thrombopoietin, erythropoietin, renin, aldosterone. The correct answer here, thrombopoietin. So many of you might be never heard about thrombopoietin. Thrombopoietin is regulates platelet production. Thrombopoietin stimulates megakaryocytes in bone marrow to form platelets. Which WBC increases during parasitic infection? Neutrophils, monocytes, lymphocytes, eosinophils. Correct answer, option D, eosinophils. Eosinophil releases toxic granules that kill parasitic worms. Which organ is not involved in hematopoiesis after birth? Spleen, red bone marrow, vertebrae, sternum. Correct answer is spleen. Red bone marrow, vertebrae, sternum. Vertebrae and sternums are flat bones. They also involve hematopoiesis. But after the birth, spleen is not involved in hematopoiesis. Postnatally, the spleen does not produce blood cells. It destroys aged RBCs instead. Which condition results from excessive RBC productions? Leukemia, anemia, polycythemia, thrombocytopenia. The correct answer, polycythemia. I have already discussed in previous video. Polycythemia. Usually it is more than 16 gram of HB, hemoglobin. Polycythemia is characterized by increased RBC mass leading to thicker blood. Thicker blood, also we can tell viscosity of the blood will be more. What is the normal range of total WBC count in adults? 1000 to 3000 millimeter cube, 4000 to 11,000, 12,000 to 20,000, 20,000 to 30,000. The correct answer here, option B, 4,000 to 11,000 millimeter cube. That is a normal range of total WBC counts. A normal adult WBC count is 4,000 to 11,000 millimeter cube. Values above this indicates leukocytosis, and values below 4000 that is indicate leukopenia. Not leukemia, it is leukopenia. A hemoglobin levels of 8 gram per deciliter indicates normal value, polycythemia, anemia, leukopenia. The correct answer is anemia. HB or hemoglobin less than 12 gram in females or 13 gram per deciliter in males suggest anemia. In females less than 12 gram per deciliter, in males less than 13 gram per deciliter. So that is about today's video. If you have any doubt means you can ask in comment sections. And thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friends and also please like this video. Thank you.